Didn't America say Elembele na TSCA ka say MPP for the Mbraba ya. Mbrani si yenkoni yonko tu galamsi. Our forest reserves in Pacho Casa na one casa.
Okay, but it is true too.
Good. But you see, that is
2462 on.
LI 2462. But you see, that is the propaganda and the mischief NDC for year going to the 2024 elections. Mbrani na maybe wa hey. Obi anfa ni phone on bi mbrano. Mbrani din environmental protection into bracket mining in forest reserves regulations 2022 LI 2462. First intro they say enye mbra we ene ma ho kwan say enko ye mining e forest reserves mo. It's not true. Obi akasa achewa enye no kre. Enye no kre nya boche.
Seri di biom.
Embrano title, the long title of the regulation is environmental protection into bracket mining in forest reserves.
Okay.
Regulation.
Mining.
Oh, now but tell me about mining forest reserves regulation 2022 LI 2462. Fanana I guess was so ha. Na Embrano Ohema say na medi kan na. Enye LI 2462. And the man who kwan say utimi ye mining e forest reserve. Se ohembra na emra e ma ho kwan anase embra e ma ho kwan si enye mining e forest reserves. The Environmental Protection Agency Act 1994 Act 490. That is the parent law. You can say LI more or less subsidiary legislation. And so the parent law no the Act of Parliament, the main act, which is environmental. Then I will hear when him now enjoy education in the hemisphere.
Some classroom.
So good. The Parent Act here, Environmental Protection Agency Act. Remember another example. Let me remember example. Critical example here. Of another I guess. Ufa lawyers yembra you the Legal Professions Act. What you say? Legal Professions Act, yes, LIA, the Legal Professions and Etiquette Rules or Regulations. And also a war on my no say LIA, regulating the professional conduct and etiquette of lawyers. Sanam Brawit here. So the Parent Act now, a man who quine say utimi koye mining our forest reserve mono. And a young brand Act 490 passing in 1994. Me pacho in 1994 President Akufo-Addo na President wa Ghana ha. MPP na na wa ba mu 1994 na. You see, Elembele, sometimes in your opportunity this year. Let's be truthful to ourselves. You see, over na can say the purpose when your politics, where your education, over na can say. So okay mbra LI 2462 na. Okay regulation 3. Regulation 3 near prohibited areas. Not to say areas are and ye mining our forest. So mbra LI 2462 Niniano was to regulate the mining in forest reserves because first na evict
insist say a day ya na me pe wuntumi ho adena or is it to prevent my wuntumi from attending the National Council meeting and send an list here general net meeting wuntumi ankobi National Council meeting wuntumi ankobi because na our court and na enema so e court na me nya me nwa me si ne ekoso nya me nwa so ofie nipa nim ho ese abontisu ni benya wa minua na efi ofie nipa enti me ne ekoso nyina no enye me nwa wuntumi radio station sa ya tutum ni sei enye me nwa se efie nipa enim hu bi na said ye tie bia no said nantwie podua anka ne pen mu no enka konfonsem wuntumi okọ ye jeli ne kura no a onko wu ho na se bia ko bia ba dan agbada pinum nyina se ye yiyomo enye chachuchikata wonko je mai omo nyina akọ aba Nelson Mandela ekobai ebedi president and Chama is not the first and he won't be the last to go there but so NDC ni na ya ma post me hu san crofo church on semhuru Facebook me say bodate kaneno eya na date of birth ni ye tro dan ho ekwa kuraso no ye tro ba bi ensuo nka ti bodate na tro ba bi ensuo nka se MPP no a ebetwa mu and Akufo-Addo no it is gone. It is dead and gone. MPP no a eba and Akufo-Addo. Na humobro ene ayemuye ahye ne ma. na enunti NDC MPs 32 ebo krono double salary egidi here for 4 years or the different bank accounts ekoa no different bank account koa na mo gi sika no di ya na akufo ado kan say enya fe see at democracy mu a ye be sa NDC MPs 32 line on betumi akọ jail enti media chamo mo fa mo hunkodi a mo papa ache no sa MPP no is dead and gone. Sa MPP no a na ye mu ye ahye ne ma enunti enkrofo bobo okro no a emukwa papa ache banking sector clean up ne ade ne ye papa ache ne ade no it is dead and gone. The next NPP government ebe ban se arenade obia wa ban mu no kai hunu say the day of accountability will also come. Omo amani abe a omo ye mampani nuanom na ye toto aba enkrofo private ne government by gold mines ne ade ye ni abre a ye fom nuvuduvudu no. The next NPP government no sabe na mahama okwadu okoso nuanom sabe no eye former president od ne kokoto a enye yie gise bia wa ade bia eburu so. Enti abre a wo feel the heat no na jo mahama wada enti na wani age say ye de wuntumi fa sa kwan so a ye de bill 25 million Ghana cedis atone so say em no dra sales a obani edabi ba o yire ba hutu edabi be ba wo so o yire ba ko papa na the next NPP government no me say ye nya ne sa afie say and the opening ko a atofo sin case yi members of parliament anomudi anim ne party o ma no enti next obi a ibehu se bia no ebebo odin yeti a ibabebo odin ama grassroots fo aba ofie no ma be discipline so ho se o structure justice enti MPP aban ebeba no ye nya ne se biem enne galam se ekoso e wo man mu a che se me ka sei galam se ya ekoso enne no eye unprecedented e bin si da enna ne de o mu ni se we di adanse wo ho we die adanse ewo ho enya hearsay. This is the first time a sitting member of parliament na himfo o ma hini akasa aboda ni waku odwan aya amamere wo nitire so. The same time on Numri Forest any time on Anua Forest na yesi chema untumi ama nkrofo akom so mo nkwa adwuma bro mo ni permit no. The same forest na nanu ahimfo wa we say NCMP for our win Oscar Oforilabi oji 300,000 and 200,000 and then crofo kokwayenum ekoye mining. Yesi wati gang emedu baby ni gang fund crowd bani somewhere February ho baby o say January ho baby eme ekuni pa kra wa win ho. John Mahama ese onte Attorney General say onte. The same ayo look the same thing. Ese ma untumi sa forest no tano Numre forest ene tano Ania forest no NDC MP yesi wotia no ena wo twitwa oton enti mu bewura mu a na waje 300,000 na waje 200,000 na mu bewura akwa galamsey enyem na meka eye Awin Traditional Council ena eka NDC for na nanom ye press conference NDC for say wo kakra na ye mo ye nti obia ena mo bo na baso ena ye the deputy vice chairman the Security and Intelligence Committee our parliament Awin MP no and now make us say or a vice chairman Security and Intelligence Committee our parliament ba won to me die ni yese ye fa ni ko gina mranim anya hwe and now make us say Abanga Yakubu and Joseph Yami police force someone Attorney General say our credible information and some Attorney General befa pen na wa track rata na odi ahyem say credible reliable and credible information no Attorney General enyan kwala office you the only ministry a body wo constitution mu ni ye kire nipa ko a obetimi occupy sa institution no the only institution the Attorney General's office onipa occupy sa institution no oyobi a ba mra na wa bin wo unless e bi opese oye politics se oso de mra be ya dwuma wa ben obi anim Dominica ye ni obi anim so wa ben unless se opese osi mra ni ti ase na ode ye politics tono na fa pen obi amono obi ahye no and a truck crack akoma yoku for say NDC national organizer, NDC national vice chairman, our credible and reliable information say they are deeply involved in Galamsey. And the yoku for Fremomo, Besina yoku for Timmy Fred Joseph Yamini Abanga Yakubu. And not combining areas. Now DC back on. There's so two go to Galamsey saying no better to. My minister was soon from DC somewhere. And man Crawford cancel or Yagalamsey no. Or consona tifi and or general video say yes me yegan say me insona ni ase mo hwe insona ni masabianom ade a chin a rash sasare donko every video ne buy insona se onyina wa se ho nyina NDC DC Erastus and the best expose